BOSAGORA is focused on building an open, decentralized blockchain that ensures transparency. So with me is the Chief Marketing Officer of BOSAGORA, Johan Lee. Great to have you here from Seoul, South Korea. So it's wonderful.
Hey, nice to meet
Yeah,
you. Nice
great.
to meet you, Shane. And I'm very glad to be here.
So can you tell me just a background of BOSAGORA, introduce yourself and what the company does?
Sure. I'm Johan, the Director of Marketing and Business Development at BOSAGORA project. And BOSAGORA is a public blockchain platform that aims to make a better world. We are creating a whole new financial environment, financial environment that is secured and convenient. We plan to help majority of cryptocurrency traders around the world to make higher profits by investing in traditional financial world, such as stocks or real estate markets. Thank you for having me here, and I'm very pleased to share my story to
Yeah,
you
no, it's
guys.
great. It's great to hear about the company. So, and you explained that you want to create a new financial environment. So you go in a little more detail about that.
Sure. We are literally making new financial environment, a unique financial ecosystem no one has ever experienced before. We named this TFI, True Finance. First of all, we offer a very special staking reward rate system. The way to participate is almost the same as conventional blockchain platforms, but the compensation rate is not the same at all. We offer an annual rate of 37%, and it is the minimum rate. Not only that, TFI has a unique structure that allows users to earn additional fixed income. Bosagora has its own currency called BOA. By lending the staked BOA coins as collateral, we generate additional profits from the traditional economy. It's kind of one source finance, but used in a multiple ways.
And you're lending staked coins, right?
Right.
Kind of can explain a little bit more what that means.
Sure. Yeah, the participation process is very simple and easy. The users can stake BOA coins on the TFI website and check on the box to agree on lending to the stake coins. And that's it. Super easy, right? TFI, we have TFI Labs, our operating company founded in Singapore, takes care of all these processes of lending cash, investing in traditional economy, making profits, purchasing BOA coins from the profits made by investment, and paying back participants with the BOA coins as well. The results are of each process are recorded in the blockchain, of course, and manage it transparently.
Okay, so that was my next question then. How do you ensure that it is transparent and managed on the blockchain correctly?
Yeah, you're such a sharp and smart investor. Yes, I agree with you. And it is very risky to invest in products that are not transparent. In order to transparently manage the process outside the world, outside the blockchain, we decided to link our trust contract with a blockchain oracle solution called Chainlink. Chainlink is a company that connects blockchain smart contracts to the off-chain outside the world. Chainlink's decentralized oracle network provides reliable and unmodifiable information to smart contracts. And Oracle data on the Chainlink allows the TFI protocol to be fully trusted and decentralized.
Okay, now we've heard, of course, of DeFi or decentralized finance, and you mentioned TFI. That's the
Right.
first time I've heard of TFI. So can you explain the difference between DeFi and TFI?
Yeah, we just made the term for our ecosystem, and TFI is kind of DeFi, but much easier and safer system. This difference comes from the fact that TFI is based on the traditional investment sector. TFI will generate profits from the traditional economy like stocks or real estate markets. so users can easily understand the whole process as they are more familiar to most people. Not to mention, it is difficult to break into the system, so it's just safer.
Mhm. Now, do you have a traditional finance partner or project in this?
Yeah, sure, we do. I'm very confident to make good and sound profit with our trustworthy partners. The first one is FM Way. FM Way is an investment company with a big data based stock selecting algorithm that leverages all financial data from the companies listed on global stock markets. They analyze the most recently released quarterly financial data for each stock market in every country to form a portfolio and hold it for 3 months, pursuing stable and steady performance. FMWay's stock selecting algorithm is kind of applicable to all stock markets around the world, and back data testing from from past 20 years of major 12 countries has proven an average annual return of 39.7%.
Wow. Okay. So, all this that you're telling me is showing me how much the world is going to be changing when it comes to the
Yeah.
financial system. It's just incredible. What are your plans for the future, both, let's say, near term and medium term?
Yeah. Well, in the first half of this year, before our CoinNet will be launched and the actual staking service will begin, we plan to launch two programs. The first one, which was worth about 2 million USD, opened last week, and we think it was kind of great successful launch. You can check the result in our website t-fi.io. And from the later half of this year, after the CoinNet launch, the confirmation reward through node operation will be officially released. By early next year, Chainlink Oracle will be linked to our trust contract to create the first DeFi to generate revenue from the traditional economy.
Okay. Wow. Very interesting, Johan. Thank you for coming. And let's do an update as you get through through this year and you start to introduce the coin and have more projects on hand.
Yeah, sure, I do.
Great. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.